Now for our local weather, let's check in with Rebecca Stevenson.
It was stunning today. We had another beautiful August late summer day with all the sunshine, and we've gotten such pretty pictures from folks sending them into our app, a King 5 app. You can see this one. It was from a golf course where it has been spectacular teeing off weather. This is near Orting, High Cedars Golf Course. Just a pretty view overall of Mount Rainier. Now we're not going to be able to see that view very well as we get into tomorrow morning. And high temperatures today, we hit 78 for Seattle, 75 for Everett. But tomorrow, we're going to knock off about 10 degrees from those high temperatures. We're going to start off with low clouds, possibly a patchy drizzle, well, a few areas of that. Temperatures are going to be warming up into the low 70s, upper 60s even will be where some folks stop. We'll get a little sunshine later in the afternoon, but we've got a weekend where the rain's going to come back at the end. Now, high temperatures the next 5 days. The cooling trend, it's only going to last for a couple of days here. We're going to get back to those warm temperatures by the middle of the week. So for the mountains tomorrow, that chance of some spotty drizzle in the foothills, otherwise partly sunny skies and that freezing level around 10,000 feet. This disturbance tracking through Canada, moving off to the east, is what's going to drag across Washington and cool us off tomorrow. So tonight, expect clear skies initially, but as you get closer to sunrise at 6:25, we'll have the low clouds already filling in. We'll wake up to the low to mid 50s to get the morning going, and then after a little patchy drizzle, will become slowly but surely partly to mostly sunny. A high of 72 for Seattle, elsewhere 71 for Tacoma, and only 67 degrees for Everett. It's going to be cloudy to clear, and it's going to be cooler. That lasts into your early Sunday morning, that nice little bit of sunshine. Clouds increase again as a stronger disturbance comes through to bring us a little bit of light rain in places on Sunday night and early Monday morning. Monday will clear out much sooner than Saturday will. Monday actually looks great, becoming mostly sunny in the afternoon, and temperatures, as you see this trend towards more and more sunshine, they're going to warm up in the mid to upper 70s again, maybe even the low 80s by the time we hit Thursday.